Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add slow motion to your clips in DaVinci Resolve 19. So it's super simple. Let's get right into it. We have a clip in our timeline and we want to move the player head where we want to add the slow motion to. So I want the slow motion to add somewhere right here. So I get my razor blade tool, I make a cut, and then I'll make a cut right here. So now we go to the selection tool, click onto the area we want to slow-mo, go up to the top right to inspector, video, and then scroll down to speed change. Make sure ripple timeline is selected. It won't work if it's not selected. And now we'll go to speed and we'll just type in, let's go 50%. Now check it out. Perfect. That's amazing. Well, that's how you add slow-mo to DaVinci Resolve 19. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.